Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today, the 8th of January. I just want to zoom out quickly just to highlight what we are experiencing here. We've got a little bit of structure in the middle of this triangle, but all intents purposes, we can just get rid of that noise. That is the setup. This is on the 8 hour. The trend is up. Oscillators have eased off and crossed over. Solid engulfing bar over what's happening to the left, and if we just come back to our normal view, you'll see been a week of nothing really to write home about, and we are now challenging this area again, and this is 34,200. Now the minute you start dropping down through the time frames, you'll see yesterday was chaotic. There was just a lot of political noise, from State of the Nation to the Feds. So was a bit of selling off here again, but look at the buys that came in. I'm not going to read too much into that. My stance still stands. I want a decent break and retest before getting in on this. So this is my area that we're testing. It's 34,200. Looking for a break and a retest before we start looking for opportunities. And there you can see the political chaos. Politicians open their mouths and algorithms just start taking over. You can see big up, big down, big up, eventually closed up. But the minute you see this price action where you're above the moving averages, then below, that's when I switch off. I'm not interested in trading at, although we've been sitting on the sides with this for quite some time now. So for me at the moment, this is still the play. I just want to fine tune it a little bit better. So we just pick up these two highs here. So that level is 34,185. 34,185 to 34,200. You want to break, you want to pull back, bounce off there on the hour. That's your cue that the breakout is here, and then you're looking for a move to the upside. Important to just note that this is a big consolidation area. If you look at it on the daily, trend is up, strong move up, flag, break, retest. What does that give you? It gives you a measured move of immense proportion, and on the weekly you can see it even better. The other thing that you want to be paying attention to is this weekly high. We're just below it at the moment, because that is a big double bottom. So, break up the weekly support on this level. Look to the left how strong this area is. That is a cue to just load up and walk away, because that could set up this move here. There's our strong move up, there's our strong flag, and that would target an all-time high this year of 38,900. So anyway, that's kind of my view this morning. It's still sit on hands on this particular index. The other two, the S&P and the DAX, are looking interesting, but looking to buy support. And if it does drop, which I don't think it's going to, but, well, okay, it could drop into this zone here, and just a little bit below that. Okay, so I'm just going to add those levels here. So this is another area, which is 34,079 and also 34,047. So that is also possible, just a drop down there, but that would basically form a range for us, a big move up range, break the upside. You take the break of the range and the stop below the range. That would trigger a move to at least 34,310 as a starting point. Then the other option, which I'm not so keen on, which would be 39,972. So pull back onto that. That just pulls us back into the range. I'm not really interested in that. So that's the only two little setups that I would see, and they would be small position sizes. My preferred trade is a solid break, pullback, support, buy off the pullback onto support. Hope that helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.